I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi my sweet friends, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm doing another Gallerie inspired glitter wall art. I picked up these two canvases from my local supermarket, and I've decided to make two Gallerie inspired wall arts for either side of my television. I hope you enjoy.
If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right.
Taking my favourite silver spray paint, I'm going to take both canvases outside and I'm going to paint them both silver, the entire canvases.
Just for one night, but if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again.
Once the canvases were dry, I'm then going to take some white craft paint and mix it up in a bowl with a paintbrush. Starting from the middle of the canvas, I'm going to go across in uneven strokes.
I know it did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away, 'cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long. No.
You're going to continue across until the entire canvas is covered.
Hide away just for one night, but if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more.
Once you're happy with the results, you're then going to use the exact same method on the second canvas.
You'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave.
You're then going to take your favourite Mod Podge and you're going to add that across the middle of the white paint. You're then going to take that paintbrush once again and do uneven strokes across the middle of the white paint. Now once you've gone across the entire canvas, you're going to turn that brush on its side and you're just going to do random little strokes down the middle. You're then going to take your favourite gold glitter and you're going to very lightly start to dust it across the Mod Podge. You're going to continue to add the glitter across until you're happy with the result. You're then going to take an extra hold hairspray, guys, and you're going to spray the canvas at least 2 or 3 times to secure the glitter in place.
It was right letting you go, 'cause you were like a ghost in my mind. I wanna escape you, but I do not believe it was right letting you go. I can't stand the thought of
Now I wanted to add some silver glitter to the canvas as well. So I'm going to take that Mod Podge once again and put it on my paintbrush and just put random little strokes across the areas that I wanted to put the silver. You're then going to add the silver glitter to the Mod Podge.
Escape you like a movie on repeat. The scenes just go on. I'm hearing your voice in my dreams. I wanna escape you. I really think I made a big mistake. I want you to know I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think
I continue to add additional Mod Podge in the areas that I wanted to add some more silver glitter.
reminds me of you and it kills me? No, it was a mistake letting you go, 'cause every song just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart. Don't tell me it's
Now I also had some of these glass crushed gems that I use in a lot of crafts. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is just add some more Mod Podge and put a few random ones in different areas of the canvas. I'm then going to dust over some silver glitter to the top and then spray them with 2 or 3 coats of the hairspray.
'cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go, 'cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go, 'cause every song just
Guys, I find these types of projects so relaxing. There's something very therapeutic about putting glitter wall art together. Gallerie have the most amazing glitter wall art, guys, but unfortunately here in Australia we just don't have a Gallerie. So I'm always inspired to find a way that I can share with you a look for less where you can create this yourself.
Someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes. It's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face.
This was such an easy and inexpensive project, guys, and I'm so happy with how they came.
Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave.
Guys, I hope I'm inspiring you to shop your own home. See if you've got some canvases lying around that you no longer require. Give them a makeover. With this free time on our hands, you can have a Gallerie inspired glitter wall art just like this in your home in the space of a few hours.
We can go out, we can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your
to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chellesglamhome. If you love DIY projects on a budget, glam home tours as well as glam inspirational ideas, my channel just might be for you. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button to become a part of Chellesglamhome family. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to DIYing your very own Gallerie inspired glitter wall art. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, and I so appreciate all your support here on this channel. I'll see you all next time in my next video. Bye, guys.